In the previous lectures, we knew that Dr. Sadao operated on the white man and took out the bullet from the wound. Hannah also helped her husband. Dr. Sadao saved the life of the white man because he thought that it was his duty as a surgeon not to let a man die if he could help it. But the servants did not like it. They blamed Dr. Sadao and Hannah for having forgotten to think of Japan first. They blamed Dr. Sadao and Hannah for liking Americans. The old gardener said that Dr. Sadao should have let the white man bleed to die. Now see what happened after that. That young master is so proud of his skill to save life that he saves any life. The cook said contemptuously. Contemptuously means disdainfully or without respect. The cook said disdainfully that young master means Dr. Sadao, was so proud of his skill of surgery to save life that he saved any life. It did not matter for Dr. Sadao whose life he saved. See, split. Split means here cut. A fowl's neck. Fowl means hen. A fowl's neck skillfully and held the floating bird and let its blood flow into the roots of a wisteria vine. Wisteria vine means a type of vine. C is for the cook. The cook cut a hen's neck skillfully and held the fluttering bird and let its blood flow into the roots of a wisteria vine. Blood is the best of fertilizers, and the old gardener would not let her means here the cook, waste a drop of it. Blood is the best of fertilizers. It is very useful for plants and vines, and that was why the old gardener would not allow the cook to waste a drop of it. It is the children of whom we must think. Yumi said sadly, what will be their fate if their father is condemned? Condemned means declared as a traitor. Yumi said sadly that it was the children of whom they must think. Yumi asked what would be their fate if their father, Dr. Sadao, was condemned as a traitor. They did not try to hide what they said from the ears of Hannah as she stood arranging the daisy flowers in the veranda nearby, and she knew they spoke on purpose that she might hear. The servants did not try to hide what they said from the ears of Hannah as she stood arranging the daisy flowers in the veranda nearby, and Hannah knew that the servants spoke on purpose so that she might hear them. In this way, the servants were openly opposing the decision of Dr. Sadao and Hannah to keep the white man in the house. That they were right, she knew too, in most of her being, in most of her conscience. Hannah also knew that the servants were right. But there was another part of her which she herself could not understand. But there was another part of her which Hannah herself could not understand. It was not sentimental liking of the prisoner. It was not sentimental liking of the prisoner. She had come to think of him as a prisoner. Hannah had come to think of the white man as a prisoner. She had not liked him even yesterday when he had said in his impulsive way, "Anyway, let me tell you that my name is Tom." Hannah had not liked the white man even the previous day when he had requested her in his impulsive way to allow him to tell her that his name was Tom. She had only bowed her little distant bow. Hannah had only given the white man her little distant bow. This shows that Hannah did not show any liking for the white man. She only showed formality to him by giving a distant bow. She saw hurt means here pain, in his eyes, but she did not wish to assuage. Assuage means relieve it. Hannah saw pain in the eyes of the white man, but she did not wish to relieve it. Indeed, he was a great trouble in this house. Indeed, the white man was a great trouble in the house of Dr. Sadao and Hannah. As for Sadao, every day he examined the wound carefully. As far as Dr. Sadao was concerned, every day he used to examine the wound carefully. The last stitches had been pulled out this morning, and the young man would in a fortnight. Fortnight means a period of 14 consecutive days. Be nearly as well as ever. The last stitches had been pulled out this morning, and the white man would in a period of 14 consecutive days be nearly as well as ever. Sadao went back to his office and carefully typed a letter to the chief of police reporting the whole matter. Dr. Sadao went back to his office and carefully typed a letter to the chief of police reporting the whole matter. On the 21st day of February, an escaped prisoner was washed up on the shore in front of my house. Dr. Sadao wrote this line in his letter to the chief of police. So far, he typed and then he opened a secret drawer of his desk and put the unfinished report into it. So far, Dr. Sadao typed the letter and then he opened a secret drawer of his desk and put the unfinished report into it. On the seventh day after that, two things happened. On the seventh day after that, two things happened. In the morning, the servants left together, their belongings tied in large square cotton kerchiefs. Kerchiefs means wrappers or covers. In the morning, the servants left together and their belongings were tied in large square cotton wrappers. When Hannah got up in the morning, nothing was done. The house not cleaned and the food not prepared, and she knew what it meant. When Hannah got up in the morning, she found that nothing had been done. The house had not been cleaned and the food had not been cooked, and Hannah knew what it meant. In this way, the servants were leaving the house. Now see what happened to Hannah. She was dismayed. Dismayed means disappointed and even terrified. Terrified means afraid. Hannah was disappointed and even afraid, but her pride as a mistress would not allow her to show it. But her pride as a mistress would not allow her to show it. Instead, she inclined means lowered, bent her head gracefully when they appeared before her in the kitchen. In place of it, Hannah bent her head gracefully when the servants appeared before her in the kitchen. And she paid them off and thanked them for all that they had done for her. And Hannah paid the servants off and thanked them for all their services they had done for her. They were crying. The servants were crying, but she did not cry. But Hannah did not cry. The cook and the gardener had served Sadao since he was a little boy in his father's house. The cook and the gardener had served Sadao since he was a little boy in his father's house. In this way, the cook and the gardener were very old servants, and Yumi cried because of the children, and Yumi was crying because of the children. She had a great attachment for the children. She was so grieving. Grieving means sad. That after she had gone, she ran back to Hannah. Yumi was very sad that after she had gone, she ran back to Hannah. If the baby misses me too much tonight, send for. Send for means call me. I am going to my own house and you know where it is. Yumi told Hannah that if the baby missed her too much that night, she should call her. She was going to her own house and Hannah knew where it was. Thank you, Hannah said, smiling. Hannah smiled and thanked Yumi, but she told herself she would not send for Yumi, however the baby cried. But Hannah told herself that she would not call Yumi, however the baby cried. She made the breakfast and Sadao helped with the children. Now the servant had gone. Hannah prepared the breakfast and Dr. Sadao took care of the children. Neither of them spoke of the servants beyond the fact that they were gone. Neither Dr. Sadao nor Hannah spoke of the servants beyond the fact that they had gone. But after Hannah had taken morning food to the prisoner, she came back to Sadao.